Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you also want to streamline the process of your CRM, then you are in the right place because today we are going to learn how to automate Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect. So as you know, Zoho CRM is a best CRM application that is designed to help businesses to create their leads, engage their customers and convert their potential clients into payable customer, that too effortlessly. So by setting up a simple connection between your Zoho CRM application and Pabbly Connect, you can automate all the repetitive tasks which are involved in your customer relationship management activities, and that too without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So if you want to learn this amazing connection step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, as I told you, we are going to learn step by step that how we can set up a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect to automate all our tasks. As you know, Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management application, and it is basically cloud-based platform designed to help businesses manage and optimize their interactions with their customers, prospects, leads, and partners. It offers tools to track sales, automate marketing, and enhance customer support, enabling businesses to streamline their operations, nurture their leads, and improve their customer relationships. Alright, so here we are going to learn how you can simply set up a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. Connecting Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect offers significant benefits, including seamless automations for workflows, which saves times and reduces manual data entry errors. It enables businesses to integrate Zoho CRM with various other applications to transfer the data from Zoho CRM towards them, ensuring real-time data synchronization across the platforms. And also, this connectivity enhances customer relationship management by automatically updating your lead and contact records, improving follow-ups and streamlining processes like lead generation and customer support, ultimately boosting the productivity and improving client interactions. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks just by simply setting up connections between our work applications. So here, by setting up the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, you can transfer the data of your leads, of your contacts to other applications automatically. You can also automatically create leads, records and contacts in your Zoho CRM from any other application. Okay. Apart from this, also you have multiple tasks to be done with the help of this amazing automation. So we'll quickly start. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find simple two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, you can just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Once you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations as well. Now currently, because I am already an existing user, so I am going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. You can see we have Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly email verification. Okay, and here because we are creating the automation, so we have to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards a dashboard of a Pabbly Connect account. So on this dashboard, you can find all your workflows which you have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows separately and accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, you need to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. Here a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So here I'm going to give the name Automate Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect. After giving the name to my workflow, here I have this. After giving the name to my workflow, here I have the list of folders in which I want to save my workflows. You can see we have a list of folders. So what I will do, I will simply select automations for CRM system among these folders. And now my workflow will get saved in this folder. Okay, let's click on create. In the similar manner, you can create different folders to save your workflow separately like I have done. Now, as we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us and it contains two important windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the entire building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Zoho CRM account, then I want to transfer that lead towards my team members on my Google chat space so that the team can follow up to the lead. lead. Okay, so here I'm going to take, let's suppose, Zoho CRM and trigger and Google Chat Space in our action. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is added in Zoho CRM, then only a message will be sent to our team members on Google Chat Space, otherwise not. So after you have understood the concept of trigger in action, let us start creating the automation. Let us start creating the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. Before that, I have to tell you that you can use Zoho CRM both the ways. You can add Zoho CRM in your trigger application, and you can add multiple other action steps in your workflow, and you can also use Zoho CRM in actions. Okay, so we are going to learn both the methods one by one. First of all, here I am going to tell you that how you can set up a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect as trigger, so that whenever a specific event occurs in your Zoho CRM account according to your choice, then the response of that event will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, and you can automatically transfer that same response to any other application. For example, let's suppose here I'm taking the scenario that whenever a new lead is captured in my Zoho CRM account, then I want to transfer that lead to my team members for further follow-up on my Google Chat Space as a message. Okay, so here let's get started. In order to set up the connection, we have to go towards our trigger step. We have to select our trigger application, that is Zoho CRM. So let's quickly select that. After selecting the application, here we have to select the trigger event. So our trigger event will be new module entry over here. You can see we have multiple events over here: new module entry instant, update module entry instant, new module entry, and update module entry. On the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that. Okay, for example, if you want that whenever a new entry will be occurred inside your account, you want to capture the response, you can select new module entry instant. If you want that whenever there will be an update in the details of your lead, in the details of your contact, then you can use the event update module entry over here. All right, because in my case here I want that whenever a new module entry will be there inside my Zoho CRM account, so I want to capture the response. So new module entry instant is my trigger event. Now we'll simply click on connect to build this connection. Okay, now to build the connection, you can see I've already logged into my Zoho CRM account, and now what I will do, I will go towards add new connection, and here we'll click on connect with Zoho CRM. As we have done that, it is asking us that domain. So how we are going to get the domain? These are all the examples of the domain. So what we have to do, we have to just go towards our Zoho CRM account. You can see in the URL it is given that this is the domain zoho.com. What I will do, I will simply copy and paste it over here. In the similar manner, you have to find out the domain from your Zoho CRM account URL, and you have to paste it over here. Then we'll click on save. As we have done that, here you can see that Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Zoho CRM account. I will simply click on accept, as our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now as we have done that, our authorization has become successful and our connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect is done. So what we have to do, here we have to select the module name, that whenever a new entry will be occur in which of the module you want to capture the response. So we have leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, etc. I want that whenever a lead will be captured, whenever a lead will be added inside my Zoho CRM account, then I want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect of that lead with all the details. So I've selected module name as lead. Now what we have to do, we have to simply click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, it is showing waiting for response. This means that now we have to do a test submission by creating and adding a new lead inside Zoho CRM so that the response could be captured. To capture the leads, I have already created a form, a web form with the help of Zoho CRM, and I have attached this web form on my website. So here, when a person is going to visit my website, and let's suppose when he is going to submit this form, he will be able to get in contact with me through this form. And as soon as he's going to submit this form, the details will be captured and that person will be added as a lead in my Zoho CRM account. Let's suppose I have a real estate agency for which I have attached this form on my website. So the interested candidates or interested leads can submit this form so that they can contact with me. Alright, so when I'm going to submit this form, I'm going to receive the response in Pabbly Connect and the lead will be added in Zoho CRM. So what I will do here, I'm going to enter the details. I'm going to use some dummy details just to make a test submission and to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect, and we can see whether our connection is correct or no. So let's suppose the name of the lead is demo and the last name is of this lead is, let's say, lead, demo lead. I'm going to enter a random email address, demolead28@pabblytudes.com, and a random phone number as well. Okay, I will submit the form, and as we have submitted the form, let's go and check whether we have received the response in Pabbly Connect or not. And yes, here we can see that the response is received. In this response, when we'll scroll down, here you can see, here we have the email of the lead. When we'll scroll down further, here we have the ID of this lead. Okay, here we have the date and time at which the lead is created. Okay, here we have the name of this lead. Okay, And here we have some other details as well. This means that our connection between our Zoho CRM account and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a lead is going to be generated through the web form which we have attached on our website, then the response of that lead with all the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. So when we'll go back towards Zoho CRM, here we'll go towards the lead section. You can see that a new lead is already added over here. So once we have received this response, that means our connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And once we have set up this connection, we can transfer the response of this lead to any other application automatically. As in my scenario, if I want to transfer the data of this lead towards my team members on Slack channel or on Google Chat space, so I can add the action applications according to that. In the similar manner, once you will set up the connection, you can add as many action steps in your workflow according to your requirements. So these were the steps which we have to follow in order to set up connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect as trigger. Now we'll move forward and I will tell you that how you can use Zoho CRM in your action steps. So here, let's suppose I am running a real estate agency, and to promote my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page that I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads, and I have also created a lead gen form to generate the leads. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead for my real estate agency through Facebook lead ads, through the lead gen form submission, then I want to add that lead in my Zoho CRM account. So for that, I will have to set up the connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM, where I'm going to use Zoho CRM in my action step, as you can see. So here I'm going to tell you how you have to set up the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect as action step. I've already captured the response from Facebook lead ads. Okay, so here I have created the form in order to generate the lead, as I told you. So the form contains the following details, such as the name of the lead, email of the lead, phone number, and the kind of property he is interested in, whether he is interested in residential or commercial property. So when the lead is going to visit my ad on my Facebook page and the lead is going to submit the form, then immediately I'm going to receive the response of that lead with all the details. So such as here we have received the response, the kind of property he's interested in, residential property. Here we have received the email address of the lead, dummylead32@pabblytudes.com, the name dummy lead, and here we have the phone number. So by using this response, now we are going to create a record in Zoho CRM. So for that, here you can see I'm already logged into my account and I've already selected the action application as Zoho CRM. Now we have to select the action event. So in my case, my action event will be insert or update record, but you can select any of the given event over here according to your choice, for creating a contact, for creating an account, creating a deal, and etc. So I will simply select insert or update record and we'll click on connect. We will go with the existing connection only, as we have already built the connection earlier. Okay, so let's click on save. In the similar manner, you have to provide the domain name from your Zoho CRM's URL, and you have to just insert that over here so that the connection will be successful. Now we have to select the module name, that which kind of entry you want to create. I want to create a lead inside my Zoho CRM account, so here the module name will be lead. Then as we've selected that, here we have to enter some details in order to create that lead over here. So here we have to enter the details one by one. Now let's get started. Here it is asking us the layout, so it is already selected as standard. Then the pipeline name. If you want to create the lead inside a particular pipeline, you can enter the name of that pipeline over here. Okay, some other details are given over here, but these details are not mandatory and I've also not received them, so I will just ignore these fields for now. I will directly move towards the first name, last name, and other details which I have received. So here, because we have already received the details of the lead in our Facebook lead ads response, what we will do, we will simply map the data over here. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. You can see this is our previous step, and here we have all the details. So here, because I have not received the first name in my response, I will have to split this name which I have received in the combined format. So what I will do, I will simply add one more action step in between, that will be text formatter. So with the help of text formatter, I am going to simply split the name which I have received in my response. So here I will simply select text formatter. It is an amazing feature of Pabbly which helps us to format the text in our workflow according to our requirements. So our action event over here will be split text. We'll split the name with the help of this. We'll simply click on connect to build the connection, and here it is asking us which text you want to split. I want to split the name which I have received in my response. So what I will do, I will simply map this name over here. Now as we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads and the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, then the name is going to replace over here in this field with the name of that new lead. In this way, we are going to automate the entire process of creating new leads inside Zoho CRM whenever a lead is generated through Facebook lead ads. But in case if we will enter the data manually over here, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Okay. Let's move forward. Here it is asking us the separator, that by using which value you want to separate this name. Here we have the separator as space. So what I will do, I will simply use space as the separator. It is given that if you want to use space as your separator, then you have to enter it in this given format. So I will simply copy and paste it over here. Then it is asking us segment index, that which segment of this particular text you want. I want both the first name and the last name as well. So I've selected all. Then we'll click on save and send test request button, and here we have received the response. As we have received the response, here we have the first name and the last name separately. We'll map the first name and last name quickly in the given fields. So first of all, I'm going to map the first name. Then we have the last name. Then if you want to give the designation, you can enter it over here. I have the email address of the lead, so I will directly map that. Then we have the phone number of the lead as well, so I have mapped that as well. And if you have received some other details, you can enter that as well. And I will go down and click on save and send test request button quickly. As we have done that, here we have received the response. So I'm going to take you towards my Zoho CRM account, and we will refresh this page once. And as we have done that, you can see that here a new lead is created with a name as dummy lead. Here we have the same email as well, dummylead32@pabblytudes.com. When I'm going to open it, you can see that here we have all the details. Okay, this means that our connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM is absolutely successful. So now whenever a lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, that lead will be added automatically to Zoho CRM. In this way, for any of the event which you want to perform, you can add Zoho CRM in your action step by taking any of the application according to your requirements in your trigger step. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and these are all the steps which you have to follow in order to automate the entire process related to your CRM activities by using Zoho CRM and by connecting it with your Pabbly Connect account. I hope this video is helpful for you and it is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.